Imagine this. You've been eating better, moving more, maybe even cutting back on late night snacks, but the scale hardly budges. It's frustrating, right? What if the problem isn't your willpower, but something deeper inside your body? Specifically, your liver. That's the idea behind a supplement called Liv Pure. And today, we're going to unpack what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth considering. The liver doesn't usually get much attention when it comes to weight loss, but it should. It's like the body's natural filter, processing everything you eat, drink, and breathe in. When it's overloaded with toxins, its efficiency drops, and that can stall fat burning, drain energy, and make losing weight feel nearly impossible. Liv Pure is designed to change that by supporting liver health, giving your body the reset it needs to start working properly again. So, what's actually inside this formula? Instead of caffeine-heavy stimulants or harsh chemicals, it uses plant-based ingredients inspired by the Mediterranean diet. You'll find things like Silymarin, which helps protect and rejuvenate liver cells, Betaine for digestion and cellular energy, Berberine, known for boosting metabolism, and compounds like Resveratrol and genistein, which are linked to fat burning and overall vitality. Together, they create a formula that doesn't just chase quick results, but builds a foundation for better long-term health. Here's how it's meant to work. By cleansing and energizing the liver, Liv Pure helps your body process food more efficiently, break down stored fat, and release steady energy. In simple terms, when your liver is happy, your metabolism works better. And when your metabolism works better, weight loss feels less like an uphill battle. Now, the big question, is it safe? According to the official site, Liv Pure is made in FDA-inspected facilities, it's non-GMO, and free from dangerous additives. It's a natural supplement, which means side effects are rare, but as always, if you're pregnant, nursing, or managing health conditions, talk with your doctor first. What about results? This isn't a magic pill you pop once and suddenly drop pounds overnight. It's more about supporting your body so it can naturally function at its best. Many people report better energy, smoother digestion, and gradual weight loss after consistent use. The key word here is consistent. Give your body time to respond. And speaking of time, let's talk about pricing. Liv Pure is offered in 3 main bundles. A 2-bottle package for a 60-day supply at $79 per bottle, plus shipping. A 3-bottle package, which lasts 90 days, priced at $69 per bottle. $210 total, plus shipping. And the best value option, the 6-bottle bundle. That's a full 180-day supply at $49 per bottle. $294 total with free shipping included. Why so many options? Because the company emphasizes that long-term use brings the best results. And to remove any risk, there's also a 60-day money-back guarantee. That way, you can try it out and, if you're not satisfied, request a full refund. So, who is Liv Pure really for? If you've been stuck in that cycle of dieting without seeing results, if you often feel sluggish, or if you just want extra support for your liver and metabolism, this could be a good fit. But if you're expecting an instant miracle, you'll probably be disappointed. This is about working with your body, not fighting against it. Here's my takeaway. I like that Liv Pure isn't positioning itself as a quick fix diet pill. Instead, it's aiming at a root cause liver function with natural science-backed ingredients. Add in the safety standards and the money-back guarantee, and it's a product that feels less like a gamble and more like an opportunity. If you're curious, I've dropped the official link in the description where you can find today's best deals and any bonuses. Take a look, see if it matches your goals, and maybe this will be the step that helps you finally move forward.